Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install the Logset into a Napoleon A42 fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement when used with the log placement leaflet. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over studs A1 and A2. Ensure the extended part of the log is facing the right side of the firebox and the notch is around the pilot shield. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 3 and place them over studs B1 and B2. Ensure the charred part of the log is facing forward and the right end hangs off the right side of the burner and onto the media tray. Locate the holes in the bottom of log 2 and place them over studs C1 and C2. The opposite end has a notch, which rests on top of grate post 2. Locate the notch on the bottom of log 5, grate post 1, the split in the log, and left locator on log 1. Place the notch on top of grate post 1, resting the split end onto the locator on log 1. Locate the split end of log 6, and grate post 6. Place the split end over grate post 6, and rest the opposite end on log 3. At this point, place glowing embers on the burner, in front of the large clusters of ports. Ensure not to cover the burner completely, as this will affect the desired flame appearance. Locate the notch on the bottom of log 4, grate post 4, and the locator on log 5. Rest the bottom notch over grate post 4 with the opposite end resting in the locator on log 5. When placed correctly, the log will lay across logs 2 and 3, the bottom tip will sit under grate post 5, and the charred area will face log 2. Locate the notch on log 7. Place it on the left side of the firebox floor on a 45-degree angle. Ensure the locating hole is facing up, and the wider charred end of the log is facing the front of the fireplace. Locate the bump out on log 8, and place it into the notch on log 7. When placed correctly, the log will lean against the left side of log 5. Locate the notch on log 9, and the locator on log 6. Place the log onto the right side of the media tray, resting the notch onto the right side of log 6. When placed correctly, the extended parts of the log face the back and bottom of the firebox. Place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs, to finalize the media installation. Never cover the burner and air intakes or allow objects to come in contact with the pilot. Allow the fireplace to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. Note the peaks and valleys within the flame pattern. Logs should not impinge or split any flames as the fireplace burns. Check the placement of the glowing embers. They should not restrict the flame and should be placed to create a realistic glow effect on the burner. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this Logset. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.